Hello there. Today I am doing a voiceover as our neighbours are doing some renovation work, and just as I was about to start this video I heard a bandsaw and it was very loud, so I thought it would be a good idea for me to try my hand at doing a voiceover and see how well it worked, and I apologise now if I sound like a robot. Today I am doing a lemon squeezer pour, and my colours are blue, berry, silver, turquoise, yellow, black and white. And I'm going to pour these colours now, one after another, until I've managed to empty out all the pots. My lemon squeezer is sitting on one of those pots turned upside down, a little shot cup. And as soon as I've got all these colours onto my canvas, I am going to walk away and just leave it for a while to allow the colours to settle in and spread out over the canvas. Although I must say my canvas wasn't the tightest, so I've got a wee dip in the middle and the colours probably won't spread out as well as they should. So I've left the paint to settle onto the canvas as much as it's going to. And now I'm going to remove the lemon squeezer and the cup it's sitting on and allow the paint in the middle to merge before I do a comb swipe. Those of you who watch my videos a lot know how much I love to do my comb swipes. I'm always fascinated with the results. And now I'm going to do the tilting to see what sort of a picture I can create. I'm hoping that the colours will be very defined and I'll be able to keep as many of them as possible, but I'm seriously worried about the black and the white as they are tending to take over, and it isn't until you actually can watch yourself doing something like this that you realise that there are probably decisions you can make regarding your tilting that are different to what you're actually doing. And that is the case with me here. If I could have a do-over, I would definitely keep a lot more of the berry and yellow colours and remove a lot more of the black and the white. But still, this is how my picture is coming out, and it's different. It's got some grey, which I expected, but overall the colours are fairly well defined. But I'm not happy with it as it is. I'll give it a bit of a torch and see what I can get besides the popping the bubbles. There is some silicone in the paint, so I'm expecting to get a few cells coming up now. I really should have torched this painting after I combed through and just completely forgot. Probably distracted by the bandsaw noise still going on outside my window. So I am going to do a swipe. I have decided that I want to split the colour in half, widthwise obviously rather than lengthwise. And the colours that I'm going to use for my swipe are yellow, white and navy blue. And I'm going to swipe from the middle down to either side with my trusty piece of plastic and see what sort of cell formation I can get. Looking really good. The yellow has come out better than I expected. In fact, there's a good merging of the colours on that side. And of course the cells are starting to show through. A bit more blue coming through on this side, along with the white, of course. And I'm half expecting, of course, to get a lot of grey-ish looking cells coming through because of the black and white that was underneath, which had formed the grey pattern on the canvas. All right, so give it another torch, of course, and see how many cells I can get up. It's as I expected, of course, a lot of the cells are grey, but I've got a few black ones coming through, not really anything in the way of the other colours. So now I have got myself a piece of post-it note, and I'm using the sticky side to sort of blend the sections in, give it a little bit less of a definition. And I'm trying to make it look a bit like a stormy sea with colours. So I will finish in a moment and just leave the picture as it is after seeing how many more cells I can bring up, which doesn't seem to be happening. So once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.